Mr. Speaker, sir, recently there was a report on Byrnihat owns the world's most polluted city title. And in respect to that article that has come out in multiple newspapers, even at the national level, so I would like to make a statement here, sir. So the data as reported in the media relating to IQ Air World Air Quality Report 2024, stating Byrnihat as having recorded an average PM 2.5 concentration of 128.2 micrograms per cubic meter. It may, however, be pointed out that as per data generated from the 4 manual ambient air quality monitoring stations of the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, located at Byrnihat town, the annual average PM 2.5 concentration for 2024 is 50.1 microgram per cubic meter. Further, as per MSPCB's data from January to March first week 2025, the overall air quality index of Byrnihat was observed to be satisfactory. It may be mentioned that the MSPCB conducted surprise inspections at industrial units in EPIP and 13th mile on 24th, 27th and 31st of January 2025 and 5th of February 2025. The inspections revealed violations of pollution norms, including heavy emissions from chimneys due to non-operation of pollution control devices, ineffective pollution control devices, and non-transmission of online emission data. As a result, the MSPCB issued closure notices to 7 industrial units and imposed environmental compensation on 2 industrial units. Consequent to closure of the 7 industrial units in Byrnihat, Meghalaya, from 29th January to 11th March 2025, it may be pointed out that the AQI generated from the continuous ambient air quality monitoring station installed in the Central Academy for State Forest Service, Byrnihat, Assam, still reflected the AQI as poor or very poor during most of the days. This indicates that the major source of air pollution may be attributed to industries and other activities along the Assam site. Sir, the Byrnihat industrial area in Assam that runs along Byrnihat town of Meghalaya has been designated as a critically polluted area by the Central Pollution Control Board, Delhi. In fact, it is to be pointed out that there are 20 red category industries in Byrnihat, Assam, as compared to 5 red category industries in Byrnihat, Meghalaya. As per direction of the Honorable NGT and CPCB, the Assam PCB has prepared an action plan and adequate measures are being taken to restore and improve the environmental quality of Byrnihat area of Assam. So the MSPCB has engaged the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research National Environmental Engineering Research Institute, Kolkata, for conducting emission inventory and source appointment study of Byrnihat. Emission inventory is an important tool for identifying the source of pollutants and quantitatively expressing their pollution load in a defined area at a particular time. While source apportionment is primarily based on measurements and tracking down the sources through receptor modeling. Sir, I also would like to add that recently I have written a letter which I had mentioned earlier also to this August House, to the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, flagging this very, very critical and important issue and requesting that a joint action plan be made in consultation with experts and the different officials from both sides, as Byrnihat being a border town where both sides are having industrial units of different categories, as mentioned in my statement that I have made. Sir, let me assure especially the citizens of Byrnihat area on both sides, whether it's Assam or Meghalaya, that we are concerned about this particular issue and we will leave no stone unturned to ensure that this issue is resolved or minimized to the maximum level. The health and the overall environment of that area is a very, very important concern for the government, as well as our Honorable MLA who is present out here, who has met me on multiple occasions to ensure that this issue was addressed. Therefore, sir, let me assure the House that a joint action plan will be developed once we are able to meet Assam and Meghalaya officials, can meet and work on this. The reason I wanted to give this statement was to just give a clarity that though the tag of Meghalaya is being put on this, there are concerns on both sides of the border, and hence it is an issue that has to be addressed by both the states together. There are enough provisions in different acts and different laws which will be implemented to ensure that both the states and the different departments and officials will work together to ensure that we are able to address this issue. With these few words and with this statement, sir, I resume my seat. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.